Hey everybody, this is Jeremy. Today we're going to be talking about the risk gauge. Simple video. The risk gauge is simply a visual representation of the distribution risk inherent in a security at any given moment of time. So this risk gauge will update every day based upon the new risk in the security. As you can see here, we're looking at SPY, and SPY is in high risk. Anytime you're in moderate to high risk, you really need to dig a little bit deeper into the distribution risk of the security and understand it before you make a trade. If you're in low risk, you're still going to lose a little bit of money, unfortunately, because of how the system works, but you're much better off if you're in a low risk situation than a high risk situation. Essentially, what this risk gauge is, it's a metric of time, right? The closer you get to the next X dividend date, the higher the risk is. And then on that X dividend date, the risk in these securities essentially resets. So the risk gauge is a visual representation of the risk inherent in a security at any given time. It's real time, so it updates every day, and it's an easy way for you to see the risk in the security. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, ring the bell on YouTube to follow us. And you can also follow us on at FairShares Inc. at Twitter. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.